I think we live.
Yes, I see it.
Nice. You only need to maybe like no, it should be good. I think. So it's like not echoing, but like.
Yeah, I see it. I see
But
it.
but it's alright. It's alright. I'm just gonna like tweet this out that we are live. Currently live. Building with caffeine. With at caffeine. FD. At. What's your at actually?
Downfall.
No. Your at on X. It's like something else. It's like June or what?
Biology, let me check.
Yeah.
BAD_ALA.
D?
AJI.
DAD? Right?
Yeah, BAD.
Let me check. I have like in the messages. Oh, BAD. Let's build something, some thing. Hashtag build with caffeine. Let's go. Yeah. The stream is still going, right? Let me just check quickly the sound. Yeah, no, you're hearable, right? Yeah. So it's good. Let's see. I'm just also need to. Who is this? Yeah, I need to just like on my phone because you can see like your comments on your like on your for your X, right? For the X you don't see the comments. So yeah, I see them, but like it's more like it's you don't see them like in there's not like an interface where or YouTube or Twitch, because we are also live on YouTube and Twitch. We don't see like the you need to have like X open to have this properly. So let's talk. Like you wanted to build this Monopoly game, right?
Yeah, so I was thinking about that earlier today. Because the way that I see it, we gotta build it up from the community. It all starts within the community. So
Of course.
when I was thinking about games, that like once we are in our respective communities where we enjoy the people around, we can interact right in open chat. That's where these ideas came from.
So
Just like how when you're going through iMessage, you can go to the
yeah.
test and all that stuff.
Like the pool one, when you like. Yeah,
Exactly.
I hear you.
I was thinking, wouldn't it be cool if I could play some Monopoly with all of my friends and,
All the IC homies, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I'm gonna just because I copied already a prompt. I'm gonna quickly grab also my one-shot prompt for Grok. Hey Grok, I will give you also 3 more things before we start. That is 8 rules and 4 pillars, as well as a detailed caffeine manual. After this, we can start. Respond shortly till I give you all the context. Let's see. I have like the 4 pillars are here. 4 pillars. I need to give him this. four pillars, the four pillars. Then I also need to give him this document.
This is what you do at the beginning of all your projects.
Yeah. Because I'm setting the project up so that the grok helps us like redefine it, right? So this is the caffeine of AI of system overview and user manual. Read it, and then when you comprehend all, we can start to formulate our first steps. So that's why I'm creating all these things like one shot and the document, right? Not creating it for all the other people. They can also use it, but I'm creating it for me, so it's like easier for me, right? So I'm just like, right? Keep the pillars and the rules. What's the initial approach you do like to take? Let's first formulate. Let's first formulate how our game would work, and we need to ensure when we prompt caffeine, for example, with a certain data structure. It doesn't need to adjust it later, just like opening with a full multi-user management system. Otherwise it's difficult to migrate. So yeah, I'm setting this up first, like it's important to like when you do a complicated thing, like you can do like
That's how you prompt. Yeah, this is the proper way to prompt, and it has to get exactly what you want.
yeah, exactly. And it's like also I'm not starting in caffeine, right? I'm not there directly telling it like, yo, we need to do this, or we need to do that. I'm gonna first like discuss everything with Grok, like, yo, what are, and then he takes like my pillar alignment, high user game flow, right? Key data structures, right? And then first set up whatever, and then, right? Then I'm just telling him like, okay, do you want to ask Caffeine first some questions about the project, or do you think we can start with the prompting? So sometimes Grok also needs to, we're getting A/B tested directly. Sometimes Grok also wants to know like some questions to Caffeine, right? So he will like give me a prompt that I can ask Caffeine, or yeah. So because Caffeine is built on conversation, not like instruction. You can give it instructions, but it's better to like do some conversation about like clarifying things and stuff. So
yeah, that's how you get the best results.
Yeah.
Language models at least.
No, it's all right.
Tom said that. He said that that's pretty much his letter.
Huh?
Get an app through conversation.
Yeah, and because it's also trained on that natural language. So like if you're gonna start like bombarding it with instructions, right? That's not how it was designed to be used. So I can see why it's like not the best strategy to do. So that's why I'm also like creating those documents. So like every AI like I use to like prompt my Caffeine with, right? It knows also it's like designed for natural language. So it can give me the starting prompt. Prompt to set up our first user management and maybe already some structures. So yeah, and normally what I would do, I would make a project here in Grok.
Yes.
Look, I'm telling everyone, ditch all your other LLMs, ditch whatever. Buy Grok. Buy Grok 4. It's 30 euros here, but like it's also $30, I think.
Yeah, I got Grok 4 as well.
No. We need to.
I think they did 30% off. They got me with the deal.
It needs. Yeah. To be a little less technical, and as well as line out that we will be building a Monopoly style game. So yeah, it's I find it the most useful AI tool, right? But that's my experience. I hope this doesn't like open the fucking photos app, right? Yeah. That's I didn't copy all. Let's see. We also need to tell it's actually to like hey Caffeine, let's talk first before starting. All right, just like simple, like you know how I like want to how it's called, like you need to think about caffeine, right? Like
Yes.
you will be talking to a girl, like that's exactly how you need to think. Yeah, you need to like you need to throw that sauce on her, right? So you can't just tell her like, "Girl, caffeine, come to my home, bro." You need to.
You gotta hit her with the wrist.
Yeah, there is. Then you need to buy her a drink, and then yeah. So exactly that. So absolutely, let's chat. So you see, she's already into me. I will line out some things first. All right. If you have any questions, well, I'll line it out. Please ask me for clarifications when we have all clear. We can continue. Okay. Yeah, so exactly that. You need to first like start with the talk, start with a little riz. Some great. I was thinking about multiplayer online Monopoly game. Do you know that game? Right? You need to just like, you're in the club, like, do you know Chanel? I have some bags. Yes, exactly. Yes.
Okay.
Yeah. So she knows. She's familiar. You know. Bro, we gonna kidnap some caffeine soon. Yeah, I have some.
I haven't used caffeine yet. This is my first dip into it.
Then you're getting the preview, but like this is how it goes. This is the best way to do it, you have like different people, but like this is how I like to do it. Like I like to take things slow, like buy them some wine, buy them some roses.
I understand.
I have some things lined out um, about the build up, like data structures and such. Can I provide this to you? You need to ask consent, right? You need to ask if she wants it. Absolutely. Yeah. So what I'm gonna first do is actually I'm gonna. I hope I don't fuck up the first thing. Yeah. We need to consult Grok again. Grok. Can you line out the Monopoly game we discussed, but just with.
And how simple do you tell Grok to make that first prompt?
You're gonna see. It's gonna be very simple. But what I'm doing now is like I'm that's called priming. I'm not sure. Do you know what priming is? Priming is, for example, let's say the priming is a concept. For example, like you know that when you are like when you play that game with your friends, like let's search for a yellow car, and out of nowhere, like yellow cars, right?
Yeah.
That's because you are primed to search for it.
Okay.
So you are primed, pre-primed to something. So let's say you would have like I'm not sure. You would I'm not. Somebody would steal your bike tomorrow, right? And then I hope it doesn't happen, but like then you would be primed to like maybe buy a lock for your bike, right?
Yeah.
Because so we are priming the AI for what we want to do before we do it. So what I'm gonna do is like I'm gonna give Caffeine first, like, okay, this is how I think it should look. What do you think, right, before building? No technical jargon, but try to include things I can provide Caffeine with, like the game mechanics and data structures. So what I also do is I take like Caffeine right? I say to Grok, like, this is my current conversation, right? I say to him, like,
so you.
Yeah.
So, okay.
This is, so he's gonna respond to her, and then I'm gonna use the conversation between them. This is the current.
You're not even talking anymore.
Huh?
At this point, you're no longer.
Exactly. So at this point, I'm just using Grok is raising her.
AI.
Yeah. The AI is taking over. Yeah.
Grok is risen.
Yeah. Grok is brewing that text, you know, that your friend is looking at your screen like, let me look. Then he's brewing that text to the Chadi.
So basically, all you need to really have is a little bit of an idea. Take it to Grok, have Grok conceptualize it. Talk to Caffeine, prime it a little bit. Take that concept from Caffeine back to Grok, and now Grok will start to help formulate and do the reasoning with Caffeine.
Yeah.
You no longer even need your human input much unless you want to use it.
Yeah. So. Because I do that first, right? So there's the method first, exactly, the reasoning, etc. To have some working version, and then at some point I take over, right? But like.
Okay, let me ask you a question.
Yes.
How many? Is there a limit on iterations you can do? Like.
No.
Say you start with a very minimal MVP.
No.
How many updates do you have? How many feature updates do you have?
Look, there's not a limit on how many drafts or iteration you can do. You can just keep like upgrading it, but at some point it has like a context limit. So what that means is like your code will get too big to like end it with Caffeine, right? and then you get like some errors, but like wait, I need to like prompt it rightly so it doesn't start to build. I will provide you now with what I think are all the game features I do not want you to build yet. Just talk with me about this game. Alright. Alright. And then we just do this here. Then don't build. Do not build. Let's just talk about it and tell me what you think about the features. Features, and if it's possible to do this. Ask me any clarifying questions. I hope it doesn't start to build.
Fingers crossed.
Because if it's built, we can iterate on it, but it's more like it's tedious. This is better.
Did you submit it?
Yeah, but it's like it's taking long.
Just thinking.
Yeah, or it's maybe it's big. Who knows? Maybe I need to do it again, but like I like to. Maybe it's like the caffeine is also slow today, so.
Okay. Well,
So
if that doesn't go through, you could just take off some features. You could just take off the
yeah,
features.
true, but so that's where I'm gonna just like show you the document. What's important is to line your structures out beforehand, and if we do this like this, so it's gonna like not implement everything at once. They are gonna be like templates or this doesn't work, but it knows like later on I need to do this, right? And if you don't give it, maybe it won't even have this option or this function. And then later on it's gonna be like really yeah, it's sometimes not nice for I think it's also this this, and then but also it doesn't have like ledger shit, so it's gonna be like fake money, but it's alright. Oh wait, Grok said no, this is good. No, no, this is good. Can I give it to Caffeine? So there's some preparations, but later if we like structure this good, then if Grok says yes, just share it. Then we can like yeah. Let's see if it accepts this one. See, perfect. So it needs some clarifications. So I'm not gonna answer this, right? Caffeine needed some clarifications. Pop. So we are just letting Grok clarify it, because he knows everything. He knows everything what we want to do exactly, and so we are not like maybe missing something, or right. But we need to clarify to Grok that it can't use can't use real ICP tokens. Those
Yep.
those
This caffeine can't do that yet, right?
need to be fake tokens, but with real ledgers. Yeah, pop. Think is it gonna start? Yeah. So we're gonna give this as the grok. That's why we primed it, right? Well, that's why we said like, yo, don't build, let's just talk, because it now needs that. Yeah, it's good. We can start. Otherwise, it will just directly start.
Okay, we'll just start spitting out.
Yeah, it asks us like it. Yeah, it asks us like if you like to discuss any specific more that if you're happy with the current features and priorities, just let me know when you're ready to start building, right? So we say just like we are ready, let's start, and then it's gonna start printing our code, bro.
Let's go.
So yeah, it first makes this spec.md, right? And this is spec.md is just like what your application is, what kind of features it has, and such. So let's see, it makes like a user profile, makes a lobby here, a board already. Let's see if it's kind of gonna be possible already. Yeah, I hope it will be. I hope this compiles. If it's not gonna compile at once, we need to start like a little bit with less features, because I see this a lot. Yeah, this a lot. So I think we gonna need to skip some, but like it's gonna be alright. Game lobby pro players. Fixed role for testing. Yeah, so that. Yeah, I think we need to start with like less, because now it takes like all those features at once. And then it's gonna say like, yeah, we are just waiting till it says like, yeah, failed to build. But then it will ask us like, do you want to like do you want to still retry? But we're gonna go with grok, and then grok gonna say like, yeah, let's first build like this only, and then this, and then this. It fails because it doesn't have all those other things that we are requesting to like.
Yeah.
To
For the
add
first MVP, let's just get the key features.
Yeah. So like users, the board, maybe our dice or something, right? So it's gonna fail again.
Yeah, we're gonna do an ICP theme board, like have CKBTC.
Yeah.
CKE is Bitcoin.
Yeah.
But
that we're gonna do that later. Yeah. But like, I was thinking about this, like, but then we're gonna just as grok like make it Divinity ICP themed, like, you know.
Yeah, you give a corner to Anakai, give a corner to Oisi.
You see it. We could also have some crazy custom questions like you pulled the Scott card, you need to go to jail, you know.
Go to jail.
Go, you know. So let's see, it's gonna fail again. It's like 5 retries and then it's like giving up. That's alright. Yeah, perfect. Okay. It failed because we wanted to do too much at once. I'm gonna just give this to grok. I'm gonna need to also communicate to Grok that I gave him all those features, right? Grok, hey Grok, hey Grok. This is the conversation. It looks like our first version failed because Caffeine wanted to do make all the features at once. We're just gonna wait till he gives us like this prompt. So Grog wants to first like talk with Caffeine. Let's see what they are gonna talk about. Yeah. Pop. But this should work. Then it's just gonna give us like a little prompt, like a riddle. It's gonna just give us like a little story prompt, I think. It's like done. Maybe I'm also gonna give it this and this. Okay. But there's no backend yet, so let's see how it's gonna go. Let's see. Pop. So we just need to first have that first skeleton, right? Skeleton of outline with the first functions. You can do it also differently. Like you could just say to it like, yeah, make the Monopoly game. But then I think that maybe later we will, because it's kind of complex game if you think about it, right? It's a lot of going on. So I like to just do it like this, and then Grogs give it eventually like, yeah, let's keep it as minimal as possible.
Yeah, Monopoly is very complex.
Yeah, this has a lot of things, right?
Rolls, the dice, and everything.
Yeah. Yeah, so it will build this first thing here with a user profile, whatever. But I maybe the user profile. No, so this works, right? This works already. It's gonna now create the front end. So this is, and then sometimes I even say like it's better to that it fails at first with the first like start, because then you discuss this and then it has this context of, okay, we failed because of this and this and this, and then we need to take this approach. So now it's like built. So the backend is already built. We have a profile we can make, just a profile. We have just a profile with games plays, winning, balance. We're also gonna need like an admin profile, whatever, but it's gonna just create this first draft. Yeah, I'm Dutch. Oha. Yeah, so it's created this first draft for us. Some front code issues. What? Let's see. Winning history, whatever. Yeah.
And we got some motion.
We got some motion. Let's see. It's actually gonna compile, right? Hope so. Yeah. So our first version is compiled, and I'm just gonna give also the first version to Grok from the backend. Like it's now looking like this, right? So Grok knows like, okay, these are the functions that it actually created. Um, it created the following version of the backend. Um, this backend D. Let's see this draft. I'm gonna also draft it in Discord for you, so you can just check it out.
Sounds good. Sounds good.
Right, we keep loading. So what's this? Gaming profile. Spec MD. Pop up. Were you able to log in? Spec MD. And chat. And I'm also giving Grok like a picture of like I'm logged in. This is the only screen I see, right? So because Grok can like read pictures, even like videos that you need to post on X, it can help you like with debugging shit and. I have the chat. I have also attached a picture.
Are you gonna have Caffeine change the UI?
Yeah, later. Front end, how it looks. What are the next steps? Yeah, so later we are also gonna change like how it looks, whatever, right? But for now we just need to get some things working. We need to get like maybe a board, maybe like a dice, whatever, right? So Croc is gonna tell Caffeine like, okay, this looks good. Now implement this and this and this.
They should do like a bar that gauges when your project is starting to reach the limit.
What?
There should be like a bar or something to like something visual to let you know like when your prompting is becoming too excessive and it's getting to the point where it's gonna be, gonna cause a bug or something.
Yeah, it's we gonna just try to follow Grok's advice here, and then once we have some things working, right, then yeah. So trying now to do something big like a lobby. So let's see if this gonna work. Let's see if this is gonna work. Let's hope so, at least, because this much. Once. Because it's trying to do now like a lobby coin or whatever, but that's gonna be too much. That's gonna be too much. And when I'm noticing like Grok is not like working directly, right? Because I also noticed Caffeine is very slow today. So sometimes I notice if it's very fast, it's also very like smart. When it's slow, it's like not that good or smart. So then I'm gonna just like take over and just like do it on my own if it feels like again, right? And then later when I'm running into some error, we are gonna like But it did it, right? Yeah, right. What did it make?
Nice.
Right. So what do we have? We have like a multi-out users. So we have already multiple users. We have a lobby, join lobby, set ready status code, update players, get lobby, get list of lobbies. Yeah, so we're gonna have like a lobby. Because if you think about it, right, you make a game, so you will need to have like that whole backend state for all the users, right? Then you need to have like a lobby where they can create a game, and then you need to create the game, right? So you can't start with the game.
Okay, you have to create the whole atmosphere first.
Yeah, of course, because how are they gonna match?
We left out a lot of logic at the beginning. At the very
Yeah,
beginning.
so we need to have first like the users, right? Then okay, we have the lobby, and then we are gonna create the game. That's why I'm saying like we later we're gonna do like the styling or the board whatever, but for now we need to like create first the whole thing around it. So how are they gonna like act in your app? How are the users like uh, being handled inside that app, right? Let's see. I think it's gonna be yes compiled. Let's see. You could just refresh the draft page. If you were logged in into the draft I sent you on Discord.
Say that again, boss?
I sent you a draft on Discord, right? I sent you like a um, sent you like
The first iteration, I see it.
yeah. So
Okay.
just open that and log in with your internet identity. Then click on like join lobby, and then try to join this lobby. What I sent you like a lobby 120.
They're trying to log in now.
Yeah. Because we need the live testers, right? Because I already see it doesn't count me as the user, so that's gonna be not good. But I need to. mm, I would normally test like on my phone, right? But like since we are with two, so you can just hop in.
What was the lobby code?
Lobby dash 120. Does it find it?
No, it didn't actually. Is it all capitals?
Yeah, all capitals and dash 120.
Yeah, got it.
And if you do like create a game, if you join a game,
Create lobby.
yeah. And what code do you have there?
Lobby 109 dash 109.
Oh yeah. So we are just checking some errors. Yeah, we have 2 errors. Yes. And I'm just gonna tell Caffeine like, um, I see the lobby screen, right? And hey, hey, I see the lobby screen where I was entering a lobby or creating a game, but the player count was still on 0 after I clicked ready. We maybe it has to do with coins. Currently, I do not have any coins. As well as the joining lobby was not working, I got this error in the console. Can we as well display all the current lobbies, the lobbies that are not full or waiting for players? Well, so we're gonna just first try to solve it like this, otherwise we're gonna just like pass to Grok. But yeah, now we are gonna have a lobby where we're gonna match up, and then if that works, then we can start to create this game, right? Where if our lobby is full or everything's ready, everyone's ready, we are starting a game. Yeah, so let's see what's gonna do. Starting I think it also has to do with like because we need to have like coins, so we have like starting with 10 coins now. I think it has also a little bit to do with that we couldn't like start the game because it says like you need to have 1 coin to like join, right? So that's maybe why we're not able to join. But I was also not seeing myself, so main. Yeah, it did like a new user profile with like a starting balance of 10 coins. So I hope we are gonna just see when we are like logged in again, you will see like that we have 10 coins. I also ask it like, yeah, show all the available lobbies so we know they are like created, right? So now we did with code. Maybe later the code is good to use the code to like enter, but like it's also nice to see like all the public lobbies that are still searching for players or whatever. Yes, sir. It's gonna deploy. Let's see.
I see it.
Huh? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Okay. The draft is ready. You can like refresh the page, and maybe like log in, log out, whatever.
Yeah. games is here.
Oh yeah, but you see, our games were created. I see your game, my game. Join lobby?
Okay, I see him now. I see him
Yeah,
now.
yeah, yeah. So the lobbies were created, but the when I click like on join a lobby, the coins are still not being. So the lobbies are working, right? But we don't have like balances. So I'm gonna do it differently. I'm gonna say to Caffeine, hey, hey, I do see the lobbies, but we cannot join them. This is the error. Mm. Mm. Um, but maybe let me just do something else. Um, give me a second. I'm gonna see if this works. I'm gonna try to like log in with a new account, see if that new balance get added, right? Otherwise, it's the coins that are not working. If I have 0 here, then it's the coins. God. Mm. I still see 0 coins on my profile. So me. Oh, why it's not loading? What's wrong? Is this one? What? Oh yeah, yeah, yeah. Okay, so um, okay, it was because like I'm older user. Um, I am able to see 10 coins, but it still feels right. Um, Wait, I'm gonna try to create a lobby, a new one. Create a lobby. 218, right? 218 was created. No, that still doesn't work. Fails to put me in the lobby. Even when I create one, I do not see um, players. Players. One, I still keep seeing 0. Pop. So we have lobbies. They are created with the users. Only it's not having properly like and we have coins. So yeah. Um, if you log out and log in, do you have 10 coins or do you have 0?
Say that again?
If you would log out and log in again, do you have like 10 coins or do you have 0?
Give me a sec right now.
Yeah, yeah. Create a lobby, a random block. Join a lobby. Set ready status, lobby, lobby width. Get lobby, get all lobbies, get available lobbies. You're gonna see.
My balance is still at 0.
Yeah, because that's a account that was like created first where we didn't have like starting balance. I'm not sure. Do you have like two internet identities by any chance where you can like log in with the other one?
Yep.
Yeah, we are creating Monopoly. When it's like working, bro, we have somebody on YouTube that wants to join the game, so I will send you the link on YouTube, like when we have something working, okay? I'll just grab a turn.
Good. My location's not even on my phone, let alone Instagram. Okay. Thank you. Big brother, big brother. Hey, where do you live, bro?
In Holland.
In Holland.
Yeah. In Holland. Let's see. It says it's updated games. Those games.
Okay, hold on. Still trying to sign up with my other
Lobby not found. It says like lobby is not found. Create join. Does it? No. What are the backend issues? We will have some backend issues, of course. The lobbies are not found. When I try to join one, it says lobby not found. Also not able to create one now. It says the same. Yeah, so you see it like you need to iterate at some things. It's not like if you want to do something more complex like a game with multi-stage shit, you need to like do some debugging first and do some iterating. I see.
I'm in on 2 accounts now.
This one in the console log.
You heard?
Yeah. Do you have 10 coins?
No, I still have on the new account. I still have 0 balance.
Okay, that's going wrong. Do you know maybe what's going on there? We also need to like do like a multi outlet, yes, multi-user. Scheiß. Dat needs gonna be we need like an admin panel, denk ik. We're gonna need with the admin panel where I can just mint coins to your yes please, yes please. Check what's going on there and let me know if you see any issues with lobby creation. Somebody belong. Yeah, so you still see 0? yes, or the front front end is also not finding those back and stored lobbies since they are created, but we are not able to join. You improve the backend and then check the front and make it more robust for handling joining lobbies as well as players and coins. Pa pa pa. I'm gonna like add like a admin panel or something where I'm just like can mint to all accounts.
Oh, I got 10 coins.
I see. That's working.
Sure.
That's working. That's working. Because the old one just was, you know, before we had that balance, like, so it's like new profile, right? I hope it can do this for us. Otherwise, gonna just quickly start an app.
Now you can see, you really can see, while as you're doing this right here, you can see why Dominic took 10 to 15 minutes to really explain orthogonal persistence.
Right. It's not so easy, right? It's not so easy, like.
There's no other tech stack that can do this right now.
Because
memory gets lost and data gets
yeah,
lost. They both get lost. One missing line.
See, and it migrated. It migrated it successfully with all those new functions. I asked it like, yo, update, make it more robust, right? So it migrated our old profiles and old lobbies into new players, new lobbies, new actors with all the data. So when we log in back, we will still have all the lobbies, all the coins, right? And just like
so what?
Yeah.
Well, all these other bytecoding platforms don't tell you that if lovable or Replit doesn't get it in one shot or two shots, all the continuous iterations, it's not really possible.
Yeah. Besides that, it's also
the power is not in conversing with the AI and just getting it perfect the first time. The power is the AI not getting it perfect and you being able to fix it and then not lose where it started.
Yeah. And also the powers in it that the AI can't like fuck it up because it can't fuck up the data. The network will just say like, yo, you can't do this, right?
Exactly. Almost like it's coding on a ledger, a blockchain itself.
Yeah, we are doing this originally because like if you think about like what I see is like a network ledger, right? And we are directly deploying to the internet, so we don't deploy to like a third party, whatever. No, we are directly deploying to the internet layer, and that internet layer is that ledger, right? Is that network layer.
And as soon as you click deploy, this link will allow anybody anywhere in the world to interact with us and play with us.
Yeah. So if I do like deploy live, I send the link, everybody can join. It's like directly now live.
That's revolutionary.
Yeah, it is. So it's improving also our like lobby screen, right? Yeah. It's doing some upgrades there. Just checking if everything's alright. Bro, I have this conspiracy, you don't know. Whenever I stream, right? Whenever I stream,
yeah,
caffeine is better or something. Just I have the good caffeine or something. I don't know what it is. I don't know what it is, but I just feel it. But that can I can also be going crazy, but like you know that's the you know the new meme like I can prove it I can't prove it I can't prove it but like I know it is from the show you know like Dexter show you know that like the Netflix series like Dexter about that blood
Oh
guy.
yeah, yeah, I know that.
Yeah, you know that meme of the guy, the new meme, like I can't prove it, the black guy.
Oh yeah, yeah,
Yeah,
yeah.
so I
Oh,
can't
the
prove
white
that
guy,
there are
the
two
bald,
caffeines.
bald-headed guy,
Huh?
the bald-headed guy.
Yeah.
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Yeah, so that's how I feel like. I can't like prove that there's like a, you know, improved performance, but I know it is. Like, that's exactly the meme, bro. It's gonna fix the front end code calls to the back end, I think. User profile lobby, right? Yeah. Yes, perfect. It's deploying. Just saving some files. Help a function to convert Motoko list to a JavaScript array. Oha. Players to array. What's this? Never seen this one. It's ready. Okay. Then it makes like a list of everyone that's ready. Um, let's see how does this work. Still 10 coins. Browse. Let's see. Create or join. Um, maybe your lobby system is fucked up. Trying to create one. Yeah, let's see Caffeine, what's going on? So we have a lot of like persistent errors. We're gonna need to consult Grok. We're gonna need to consult Grok. Hey Grok. Hey Grok. Hey Grok. We have some kind of lobby system where I see the lobbies being made, but I do not see. Yeah, I do not see lobbies being made, but I cannot join them. This is the console error. This is the back end. Main.mo, pop, Grocket. Um, can you say this? We're gonna just give it to Grok here. Grok gonna give us like a summary. And then we can proceed. I just need to do one thing. Let's see. Grok is searching for like a documentation from Motoko for us. Oh, uh, I did something wrong. It's too much. Let's do this. Um, let's see if we can get this. Why is not allowing me to select this? Huh? What? And then what? I need to edit this as HTML. We in here, we in here.
How's it look?
Wait. We need to adjust a few things. Grok is like debugging some things, but I'm gonna see what I can do. Sometimes I like us to start like just like two at the same time, right? And then just prompt it a little bit differently, see if I'm gonna hit the same errors.
Oh, that makes sense.
Yeah, because there was like a mismatch between the codes for joining the lobby and how it was saving or something. That's what Grok figured out. So it's like not finding the lobby in the backend.
on the back.
Yeah, we're gonna see it's doing some lobby screen updates. Um, let's see how this is gonna look. Um, hopefully we can play a game. No, I'm not using Axiom, bro. I'm not into that, sorry. But I will need to like create a new one, right? Ah, um, I see it was created, bro. I see that it was created. The lobbies are getting created, but they are not getting found. Uh, the lobbies are being created, but on joining, then they are not being found when trying to join them. You look into what's maybe causing it. You need to simplify it maybe. Focus on the part where we call the back end from the front end when joining and inputting that code. What's causing this? Even when I click like join a lobby from the lobbies, public lobbies, the same happens. So I'm not sure what's going wrong. Pop up, pop up. This is a different one. Monopoly Online. Let's see. Let's see if this one looks better. Bro, you here?
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Go here. Join this lobby. Join the. I have like a lobby ID also. The lobby ID is like my principal. I'm not sure if you can see lobbies, but like if you need to fill in like a lobby ID, here's the lobby. I think we're gonna need to use UUIDs for this.
What do you mean?
Yeah, just try to join this lobby. If this doesn't succeed, I know what's going wrong.
Repeat that one more time.
Just try. I sent you like on Discord. Send you a link. Can you try to join that one? And if you don't see the lobby anymore in public, that is the lobby link, or that's the lobby code. That so it's my principal. Able to log in?
Logging it out.
Okay, okay.
My account's pending approval.
Okay, so I think because I don't see. Okay, wait. I need to upgrade it because I don't see like admin dashboard. Can you make admin dashboard? As I cannot approve new users. And also make all users by default approved. Yeah, we are I do update. What you think is best to do? I know what's happening, but like I'm gonna try to first solve it like this, and otherwise I know a method to solve this. It's gonna like make me a admin panel where I can just like where I can like approve you. Let's see this one. Let's see. This is gonna do this. Yeah, I know what's going on. So we have like mismatches between like lobby IDs and stuff, right? So I have a method for it, but let's see if I can do it like this. If this gonna work. Let's see. So you see, we are building two at the same time. Then I'm gonna just see which one works better, right? And then continue with that one.
Sounds good. It's like normalizing some things, but like I'm gonna just already like do one shot because this is like the kind of if you do multiplayer and lobbies and stuff, you need to do like a different system. You need to take a different approach. Here is the UID based system for games and lobbies, so we do not have mismatches, and such we will start from 0.
caffeine to start this only with the UID based user management and lobby. Let's see, is this already deployed? No. Yeah. So it's solving some errors for us. This one is building, but I think this one's almost done. This one's also done. It's done, right? Because we can I do more? No. Okay, that's too much. So which one is this? Yeah. So this one's already live, right? Yeah. Let's see if this one's will work better. Browse games, no. Create a game. Create a lobby. Lobby 11 created. Join this lobby. It's still gonna go wrong. Yeah, fuck it. Cause I know where it's going wrong. So I already started the other one. It's gonna be this one. I'm gonna just wait. I think I'm not sure if this is gonna succeed. Ba, 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 ba. You see it. Sometimes you need to just like go through it. What works, what doesn't work. Oh, it's actually succeeded. That's crazy. Just building us this thing with a lobby, and I also have like admin things. Like yes, yeah, I will have like an admin panel. Let's see. Should be already logged in. But pending, out approved. Are you able to log in? On the last one I sent you?
On the last one you sent me.
Yeah. Should be approved. We're still waiting for like. We're able to. Do a second. Also check with my other account. Okay.
No, yeah, I'm still logging in on the second one.
Yeah. Okay. So we are out approved. Okay. Create a lobby. And then I would need to join with mine. Pop. Let's quickly go here. Let's quickly open this pub.
I'm locked in.
You're logged in. Okay, I will send you a principal, or like you need to fill this in the lobby, join lobby. This one.
Okay.
Send you on Discord. What happens if you try like to join? Okay, now it's working. Okay, okay. Okay. Uh, it's good, it's good, it's good. This one works. So we are able to like join a lobby with 2 players and then start the game, then says start the game, but nothing happens. Okay. Yes. Auto approves works. Was able to join a lobby and start a game, but didn't create the game yet. So there was no board. We also need how many players? Like 5 players are on Monopoly, right? Or like up to 7 or something.
Yeah, I think so.
How many players are there in Monopoly? But minimum 2, and so it's this one. Minimum of 2 and maximum of 8. So need minimum 2 players, maximum of 8. All the game logic will happen in the front end, and when our game is ended, we will simply save it, or when I save it to the back end. Okay, so this one works. Yes, and this one is the better one. I just know it's the better one. Yeah, see? Because this will work. This will just work better. I'm not sure if you're watching like the stream. Like, I know this will work better. Lobbies. Create a lobby.
Yeah, no. My screen is behind. Did you start the table?
No. I'm upgrading it because look, I was able to join with my other account and we were able to start a game, but we didn't create like a game yet, right? So it didn't like create this game yet. So now it's like creating the game, and it's also like gonna be saving that game later on. I was able to log in. For now, no games were showing. Also, I guess what's wrong. Also, when trying to join lobby, it didn't succeed. I'm sure we have I have admin panel where I can manage users by their and also like mint coins to their accounts. Check also the logic for joining lobby. Pop. Oh, there's some backend code issues. Look, I know this one. I will send you this one. See if you can log in here.
Okay.
I just know this is gonna be the better one. Yeah, I just know this one's gonna be the better one because we are using like UIDs here to like manage users and stuff. So yeah, so it didn't work. Yes, try to do it stepwise, not changing much, just ensuring we have a game to start. Yeah, so this gonna be better. Yeah. Bro, this is already way better.
Oh yeah.
The one I sent you.
It's it now. Getting it now.
It's yeah, because I'm looking at the backend and I see already like it's there. It's there.
Account's waiting for approval.
Oh yeah, let me quickly approve you. Up, approve. Join. I approved you. You need to maybe refresh, like, or wait, maybe it's like, it's gonna be. Oh yeah, wait, it's deploying the canister. So, give me a second.
Okay.
I will just relog in and then approve you. Pop. Let me reload this. Login. Authorize. Pop. Use amendment. Approve. You should be there.
I'm in.
You're in, right?
Yes, I'm in.
Yeah, nice.
Looks clean. I see a lobby I could join.
You see a lobby? Yeah.
I do. Yeah, I see a lobby.
Yeah, but it's not like letting you really do it. So no, it's not working. It's at this. When pressing the UID to mint did not work, and joining a lobby did not work. Can you ensure we generate and store those UIDs correctly? Also pressing them correctly. This is way too much. Let's see, still failed or not? This is not failed. Let's see. I'm just gonna quickly like test this one. Oh, that's not good. This is not good. Test this one. Play game. Join the lobby. Play. Bob. Paste from here. Bob. 2 players. Start game. Game in progress, but I don't see the screen. It says game in progress. Yes, yes, please. Please add now the game board and game play. Just keep it simple for now. Ensure we can roll dice and move on the board. Yeah, so this one's also working for now. Let's see. Yeah, so you are in that that one I sent you, right? It's gonna update the code now. Then we're gonna just check like we're gonna just check like if we can join that lobby.
Okay.
Let's see. Okay, lobbies. No. Let me just create a new one. I'm ready.
I seen that pop up too.
Do you see 73484?
Yeah.
Can you join that? What does it say?
It's a lobby code.
Not able to. The lobby code is 734846. Get already in the lobby, and also I do not see myself as the player that joined. It says 0 players.
Oh, I don't have no coins though. No coins. Coins entry.
Do you have 10 coins or not?
No, not in this new one.
I sent you that good black VP draft. Wait, maybe is the minting also failed? Okay. Wait, maybe I can do it like this. Welcome. Yeah. I just told it like that what doesn't work.
Okay. I refreshed it.
Do you have 10 coins?
Yes, I got 10 coins.
Okay, wait. If you join the lobby, there's 7-3, right? What does it say? It doesn't allow me to join also. So yeah, the coin system. What?
What's the code again? 648 or something like that?
Yeah, but I can't also join, so I'm not sure if it's gonna allow you to join. Because the morning system is not working. Maybe we can do it without, or like disable it for now or something. Because the other ones are already like creating the board. Yeah, I know what's going wrong. It uses templates. If you like look on my screen, it says like, since we don't have direct UUID lookup, we display the UUID. Like, bro, are you kidding me? Yeah, this one created already like should create a board. Let me just quickly test it. Gonna just quickly test it here. Join. Stop game. Okay. Roll dice. I I'm already playing. Okay. Can you see the stream?
Yeah, I'm looking at it.
Yeah. So that's like me. So I'm on two accounts and this one is working. So I think we're gonna check if this one did something. If it didn't do something, we just gonna go with this one. I'm gonna see if this works. Again, I'm gonna try to view. No, okay, fuck it. So this is gonna be discarded, and that was this one. So this one's gonna go out of window, and we are left with this one. It's this one I sent you earlier. We're gonna build this one out because it has lobbies. It allows us to start a game, but the game looks shit. So it's alright. Leave the game. Yes, so first thing what we need to improve is the board. Yes, yes, I was able to but wait, I'm gonna do quickly something. Look here, I will send you my ID, right? To the go to that link and join this lobby. You can just see how it looks. You're joining that link?
Yeah, I'm in here.
Yeah. So I sent you also the thing. If you join that,
The lobby ID?
yeah, that's the lobby ID. So we are using like principals, but like later we can change it. But like for now, we'll use principals for lobby IDs. And it has already like 8 players. So if you join with that lobby ID, we're gonna build this one out. So we're gonna ask also Grok like to make this SVG of the board, because now it's like really yeah, it's not you will see, you will see.
Alright.
You in or
No, I'm not in here yet.
okay, okay. Mm.
Okay, I'm in there.
Yeah.
Hear me?
So you see me, right? I
Yeah.
Can you press start off, or am I only allowed to press start?
I can't press start.
Okay. So
The
look
only option I have is
here.
leave.
So here, I can roll the dice, right? And then now you are. You see it? Right?
Okay.
Yeah. So we have our basic shit working, right? You can press the dice. Yeah. Yeah. So we have this working now, and so now we just need to improve the game, right? How it looks. So
Okay.
I'm gonna give to Grok like, yo, this is currently like how it's looking. We have it working, but we need to like improve the board, right? And then I'm also gonna give Grok like monopoly board design. Um, can I do like SVG? Yeah. That's the classic one. SVG monopoly. And I need to still, because that went wrong, I just need to do this. So we have one working, we have like a lobby, we can like join pub, start game, we have like the board, but the board is not good. And later we can add the coins. The buy and whatever. Hey Grok. Hey Grok. We got a working game. I have provided you with a screenshot. What is currently looking. The board doesn't look well, as you see. On the right, I have provided image of the classic game. Can you instruct Caffeine how to properly make and render this SVG board for Monopoly? Make it internet computer inspired. Yeah. Caffeine said this. Caffeine
Make it. Tell it to make it Divinity inspired.
inspired by Divinity. I was able to join a lobby, start a game, roll dice, move on the board, but visually it was not good. So Grok is gonna make us this this prompt to improve like the UI, and hopefully in the next one we see like a full game.
Yeah, baby steps.
Yeah, so you saw it, we had like 3 other things, and I prompted this one differently, and then this one went good. So we're gonna So Grok, that's why I'm also telling like buy Grok because like, bro, he has access to X and also, bro, he's gonna like search like the proper shit, like the proper formats. And
I thought everybody was already using Grok.
huh? Yeah, but like you're using the Grok in X, and that's like the tree. That's not the smart one.
Mm-hmm.
Can you first make that branding and board inspire board like replacing those avenues and the board squares with ICP specific theme. Then give caffeine the instructions how to how it's now looking and how it should look. Pop pop pop. Yeah. Borke also something else, maybe you saw it? The Infinity OS?
Repeat that?
The Infinity OS, have you maybe seen it?
Yeah. I see it on your desktop too.
Yeah, in the stream, that's just like an overlay.
Okay.
Um, so
I
I
see
will
it.
just,
That's how it looks.
yeah, so this is still working. Here, are you like on your desktop? Or
Yeah, I'm
like,
on my desktop right now.
yeah, so open this on your desktop. How does that look? You like it? Oh, you have the expired. Also, I'm not sure. Is it local? Okay, wait. I'm gonna just quickly like. Oh, my shit is tripping, bro. I'm not sure because it says like um. I'll get the draft running again for you. Yeah, yeah. I'm not sure because it says to me like I was on my screen it was working, but like maybe it's like local state saved or something. I was quickly like send you when it's like running. But our board has been created. So let's see. It's making that board. Motoko Street. I see. Uh, Definity Railroad, free parking, Governance Plaza, chances, neural network, go to jail, Motoko Mansion. Yeah, I'm gonna like make it like Scott Summers Palace. It's like go to jail. You hear me on that. You hear me on the branding, right?
100%.
Or you know when you have like those chances cards that you pull, right?
Exactly. I know
You,
exactly what you're saying.
bro,
Go straight to
you don't know what I'm gonna do.
$200.
There will be one
Cash
like
flow don't collect $200.
you faked your debt. Pay like 10,000 ICP. Yeah, yeah, right. Oh, here it is. Here it is. Open this one. What is your body? I already sent you also a new draft of the Monopoly, so you can enter that one. Are you in the game lobby for the Monopoly? We're gonna see how this Divinity themed thing is looking. I actually like Monopoly, though. I like playing it. So I'm also like it's also like nice to make. So just let me know when you're joined, then I can start the game.
Same lobby ID?
Yeah, I sent it to you to the in the Discord. I think it's the same, yeah, because it's like principal. Yeah, it should be the same. Yeah, perfect. I see. Okay,
Motion. This is
motion.
motion.
Where are we?
Come on.
What am I now? Okay, roll 4.
Got the Infinity sign
Oh,
over there.
yeah, but it's not like you know the prayers are like moving. It's not displaying the prayers correctly. I think. Did you press? You are, bro. You are pure. We need like a good like players can choose like a piece or something, you know.
Mm-hmm.
So press the button, bro. You are.
I'm pressing it.
Nothing happening. You are, bro. Waiting for player 3. You are like.
Yeah, no, I pressed it. I pressed it like 4 times.
Um.
Yeah, let's go to the next step. We gotta pick a. Now you wanna upgrade the board some more?
What do you mean? Is the thing like green on your like waiting? Does it say like waiting on your turn or what does it say?
Since current turn, player 3, you, it's your turn, and I click roll dice, and it says rolling.
Oh, it says rolling.
Nothing happened.
So it's like stuck. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. So, but you see, okay, we are somewhere, right? We are somewhere. So we have some bugs. We need to like debug it a little bit, and we need to tell Grok like, yeah, we need to first also maybe like make better player representations, and the board is like not looking great at the moment, right? but we are already somewhere. Here is the current board. Issue 1 is that it still is not.
Can you share me that link, that graph link?
This one, yeah. Wait, give me a second. It's not looking great. Great. Also not clear how the players are represented. Would be nice to be able to choose certain symbol or like a icon to represent, and the placement on the board is also not correct. Secondly, we got stuck when the third player wanted to roll. It just kept spinning the dice. I'm sure we have a really slick and professional board. We can choose piece to represent our players. Here is what Caffeine said. Yeah, that's what I said. Like styling we can do later, but first we need to have like this working thing, right? So I see like there's maybe one player here, but it doesn't add up because I drew from. I don't see also the positions, right? It's not good. It's like because I threw like 5 or something and I landed like on 13. Oh yeah, Crowbar, are you still here, bro? On YouTube. The guy wanted to play. Wait, I'm gonna send him the link in if he's still there. If he's still there, you can join because this is the game we are gonna play. Crowbar, you're still here, bro. I hope you are. Then you can join.
Oh yeah.
You're here.
Crowbar, are you still here, bro? On YouTube.
Yes. I sent you the link.
The guy wants to play.
Yeah. So open that link. Open that link. Alright. Great. So Grok is gonna.
It's not gonna let him join that game because it already started. You have to start a new game too.
Yeah, we just leave the game. Just you need to leave the game because the game are not like they are not recorded yet. That we all gonna just like fix it, right? So. So we're gonna give this feedback to Caffeine. I'm not sure, maybe I need to approve the guy. If you just log in, I'm gonna just approve you. Or, oh no, this one doesn't need approval. Okay, perfect. Let's see, so I will also need to pass it somehow on YouTube to the guy for like the link. Look, Crowbar, I will just give you once this ID. Create lobby. I will be using always this ID. So whenever you want to join, right?
Oh no, this one doesn't need approval. Okay, perfect.
If I'm if you want to join, always use that one. That will be always the game ID. for the lobby. Right? Did I copy it correctly? GD. Yeah, that's gonna be the ID. That's always gonna be the ID. So whenever we have upgraded, you're gonna use that as always the ID to join the lobby. We're just waiting on our next upgrade of the board. Are we gonna throw this? Yeah, I sent it in the chat. Do you see it? Like, sent above. Or don't you see it? Well, we have like a good looking board kind of, and it's working. We gotta just drop it like on the X, so we have like 8 players. We can test it out and stuff. Kroba, did you get the ID? Because I can see it in the chat. I send it like, that's the YDX, that's the ID. Yeah, so use that one. Yeah. Because if you have one working, right? When you have one working, you can then add teams or whatever, right? So people maybe can switch. Oh yeah, I need to also talk Grok. Yeah, we're gonna do it later. Because our game logic lives like now the front end, so it's like quick. And then later we are just saving the end game, the results. Let's see, this is gonna be it. I just can feel it, bro. I just can feel it. Let's see if I already hit 1 million followers. Okay. Yeah. I will log in. I will create the lobby, and then you can join. Create lobby. Okay, you can join. You can join. Crowbar, you can join. Everybody can join with the same ID. I'm also joining with my other account. Oh, it's assigned as like a image. Okay, nice. Join the join it. And maybe you need to refresh your website first, because then because the new canister is deployed, so you need to like.
This is looking good. This is looking good.
What do you mean? It's already started. Are you boundary node? Oh, nice. Okay, we have 4 players. Started. Wow. Are we all starting on the same? No. That's not good. Who is? Player 3. You are, I think. Boundary position. Can you play, press it? Are you pressing the thing?
Yeah, I'm pressing it. It says wait my turn.
But it's your turn.
I know that.
No, but you are player 3, right?
Yeah, I'm player 3. I'll send you a screenshot.
No, it's alright, Leave the game. Leave the game quickly. I will just quickly do something. I need to test something quickly because we are also not starting at the same position. So that's also going wrong. Can player three like leave the game? You are stuck in a game or something. I think that you are like stuck in a game. Ah, I didn't have this. Assigned me just one.
That's what you want, bro.
Let's see. Is it gonna move me? Okay, somebody didn't refresh their canister. Wait, I rolled a 6. Is this 6? Yeah, this is 6. To 9, but I'm kind of on 10. I'm in jail. Fuck. Okay, I'm not sure what happened, but like, one of you didn't like refresh your canister, I think.
I'm not in this game.
No, it's yeah. I'm just playing with my 2 accounts. I'm just gonna quickly like do rolling. 5. Where's the other player? Can I see myself? What? Oh, I'm here. Okay, yeah. Let me just quickly like do something. Just test it. Yeah, this works. Okay. Let me just quickly like do do some quick testing. Yeah, because like I already started the game, so it's alright. I'm gonna do something else. Infinity internet dashboard. Look, we're gonna give it like this dashboard vibe, right? We're gonna give it like this dashboard vibe. Like this color scheme. Because now when we have the board, right? We can start to do like okay, when you then you can introduce the money, right, etc. Okay, this one, and then I need to just do the so this looks better on mobile. It looks shit, but it's alright. The dice has worked, but like I think somebody didn't like refresh their canister. That's why we couldn't like start properly. Leave game. Leave game. Okay. A grok. I have added two screens again. One is from the ISP dashboard. We are trying to go for that style and look. The icons were also not nice looking. I've added the screenshot. Name some custom things you want to include. Yeah, scroll bar. Name some custom like roads or avenues you want to include. So we also want to make some custom spots instead of jail. We want the what custom places you want to have on the board? Like name something. So I have like instead of jail we have like Scott's Palace. Bike shop. Can you name some? Can you name some custom things you want to have? Somebody?
What'd you say, bro?
Yeah, so name some custom avenues you want to have. Right?
Funny Ave.
Yeah, for funny things. So I've already done the jail. So instead of jail, we have Scott's Bike Shop. Yeah. Cityscape Avenue. No, FTE. Nah. I have for jail. I have already Scott. So what is Cityscape Avenue? Like, what does it need to replace? What is Cityscape Avenue, bro?
Probably the first one, the brown one.
We have instead of how is that board looking? I need that normal board. I need that Monopoly board. Let me just see how this looks. Okay, so we need to have like right. So what would you have? You would start like here, go. Community chest is neuron fund, right? Community chest is neuron fund, right? Then we have what do we want to replace? Chance. What is chance? Chance is like what is the chance? It's like when Adam is like pumping your bags or what? No. What's chance? What can we replace with chance? Like what can be a chance?
Oh, like this instead of calling it chance, what we call it?
Yeah, it's instead of landing on the chance, on what can you land? Because then you get this card, right? You get this card of chances. So what will come out of this card, like?
Hey, no, I get it. I get what you're trying to say.
Just name some things you want to see instead of chance. We want to have.
After brainstorming, you started off.
What?
Warm it up.
Let's look at the board. What do we have else? Luxury tax. What's luxury tax? It's like instead of luxury, sorry, tax.
Cycles.
No. We have
Cycles.
I know perfect. I know the perfect one. SNS rug. That's the perfect one to have. You right?
Yeah, that's perfect.
We have railroad. What's railroad? Instead, because there are 4 instead of rail road. What do we want? Bankman fund, meme card. Oh, that's a good one. Instead of chances, you have the meme card.
Nice.
Railroad, you have like the central station, yeah, or maybe like a subnet, like subnet, subnet east, west, north, and south. Right, and then we also have, what do we have? What do we have more? You have the chances, but you have also the other one, like
What would you call that? Make that
no, you have
like
chance
a
and community chest.
proposal.
What do we say?
So the other ones make like a proposal, NMS proposal. I like that.
Which one? Or what do you mean with that?
For the other car, you know how there's chance and what's the other one?
Yeah. So we have the chances. Oh yeah. So the chance can be, and then yeah. That's good. That's good. Okay. Instead, because I had the meme card there, but it can be like proposal and then proposal. And this proposal, I had just something in mind, like the free parking. Instead of the free parking, we want. Name something. It's free parking, so you can just chill there. It's like, oh yeah, I know one. Borrow funds back. Instead of free parking, you can chill in the borrow funds back. Yeah. That works. that works. You have then also those waterways, right? You have 2, I think. Utilities. So, what is utilities?
Water, electricity.
Instead of the utilities, we want for the water. What do we want for the water? Water neuron. Instead of the utilities, we want for the electric. Right, where's the electric one? It's here, okay. What do we want for the electric one? Airdrop parking. That don't know. What's on other utility? Like good one, you know? It needs to be good. It needs to be good. You know what I mean? Like needs to have that lore, that icy lore.
Go back to that Monopoly. Go back to the Monopoly board.
I'm there. I'm watching it.
Oh yeah, you're there.
Yeah, I have it. The electric one. What would be the electric? Gas fees? No, but we have reverse gas fees, so it doesn't like.
What's the I know exactly what it is. What's that? What's the name of the service that you have to apply for again?
Apply for it? What do you mean?
Node provider. The node providers.
Oh yeah.
The node.
Node
Nodes.
provider. Node provider. And then we have instead of go to jail, and then we have also visiting jail instead of visiting
You could put one of the. You did a rug pull with Scott Summers, go straight
to
to jail, do not collect, do not pass, do not collect $200.
yeah, no wait. Want instead of visiting jail, we want to because the jail is like Scott's bike shop. Um, instead of visiting jail, what do we want? Like because you don't go to jail, but like you visit it, right? So what is it? You're just like what is jail? It's like when you're trading on Sonic or what? Let's see.
No projects are there right now. Atlas.
No, FTX.
Oh no, AAA bot. He's in Twitter jail. He's in X jail.
Yeah, and X jail. X jail. Yeah, that's the worst place. Visiting jail want or no. Account suspended.
There you go.
Account suspend. X jail. Yeah, just X jail. It's alright. I had the other one. Wait, there was like because I see here you have like you have two taxes. You have like the luxury tax and you have the income tax, right? So the income tax can be like node rewards, right? So the luxury tax is like SNS rug because that's a luxury, right? You invested, but like the standard one is like the node rewards. Instead of the tax, what's it called? Income tax instead of the income tax. We want node rewards. You landed on node rewards. Pay 10 ICP. Exactly.
You gotta pay for cycles.
Yeah, but you're paying with inflation, so you know. It's like the rest we can iterate on, right? So we need to also have like names for those luxury streets, the two blue ones. What are the most luxurious thing? The two blue streets. Luxury ones. We want. What's the most luxury thing you can own? Like of course like a ghost maybe.
Repeat that.
Like you know like those two luxurious places right before like
To the right,
yeah.
To the board.
So I thought one is like Motoko Ghost, right?
You said Motoko Ghost?
Yeah, because then you need to think like what are the best things to own like on the IC. It's like a Ghost NFT, of course, right?
I wouldn't know. I'm not into that.
Yeah, but to go Ghost and what? Oh, I know one. And BTC Flower. Perfect. Yeah. Then we need to have like the two green ones there, right? The three green ones. The three green ones above them. Them are. You need to suggest like three names. For those like avenues or where you can then build.
the three minors. Put Bob, Burn, and
Funny AI, yeah,
Fun.
yeah, yeah, yeah. 100. Bob? Burn? Funny AI. Funny. Yeah, right, yeah. Then the yellow ones. Yellow ones. We also need 3. Kong. I see S and Sonic, right? And then we have the red ones. Then the red ones. Also 3, right? Here you have like 3. Yeah. So what can be the red ones? Like you need to think a little bit.
Or do the social medias.
Yeah, we can do everything, man.
Open chat, Boogaloo,
Yeah, yeah. Okay.
or, you know,
Open
or
chat.
something like that.
Open
Mhm.
chat. District.
Yeah, tracks.
District. And no, because it needs to be in the same category. So open chat district, and do we have like one more? Like the, how is it called? Like DSVR or something?
DSMG.
Oh yeah, from Panda, right? Oh no, it's Stagger, bro. It's Stagger. It's Stagger. It's Stagger. It's Stagger. And then orange. Then the orange ones. Orange. Name me three things for the orange ones. This can be. We are not yet at the meme coins, I think. Like.
Yeah.
This can maybe be like, or maybe I know, like, I know exactly. So it's like the geek.
ID Geek.
Yeah. ID geek. Geek. And what was the other? Like when you like can swap. Like, is that SNS geek? No. You have like when you like can trade shit, right?
I think that is
Oh yeah, then you have like also SNS geek. Yeah, that's perfect. And then we have like the pink ones. Then the pink ones are. We can already start with maybe some meme coin shit. I need 3 for those pink ones. It can be like I see panda. It can be, what can it be? What can it be? I see panda. Something more useful also. But panda is making crazy shit. I want to make it look good, you know, like it's appealing. I have already Kong Swap. I see panda for the pink ones. I need 2 more. Like what can it be? Oh, I already know. The one more. It's origin. Maybe like maybe like one more DAO or something, right? Gold DAO is perfect. Caffeine, no? Gold DAO. And then we are moving on to the light blues. The light blues. I also need 3 for the light blues, but those can be a little bit like shit. Bro. I know exactly what it's gonna be. Fuel EV. It's called like this. AI. And what was the other scam? Like they had like 3. Yeah. Yeah, and then the dark blue at the beginning are it's like or it's a pink. It's like purple. What are the 2 worst things? Like those are the shittiest ones, right? That you don't want to have. What don't you want to have in your wallet, bro? Tell me. Or what don't you want to have in your your playing to yeah this one and Sears. That's perfect. Sears. Can you make this styling in the style of the ISP dashboard, and also with those custom names. And then we are also gonna give it like this was the caffeine chat, this was the chat. Well, okay, we have our custom shit. Let's see. It's gonna like Grok is gonna huh?
That fast?
What do you mean?
I said that fast?
I'm waiting till Grok like makes it, and then we can just push it. Then we're gonna build it. Let's see how it looks. It's gonna customize it for us. Then once we are satisfied like with the board, etc., you can start to add like backend functions where you have like coins or the gameplay itself, right? And we need also some chances and the other one, what was the other one? Chances and community chest. Bro, I know such a good one for the community chest. You invested in the SNS. The project has rugged. You go back to the start. You know.
Start all over again.
Yeah, go back to the start.
You're part of the SNS and the font is just run.
Yeah, I swear. Yeah, shout out to Grok. Grok has just said like custom names replacement standard spaces like go to jail with Scott's bike shop. I love Grok, man.
needing it for my code.
Yeah, bro. I hope you get it quick, man.
Yeah, I'm about to
Yeah.
about to shout you out too. Hopefully, I get the code after. To work your magic with somebody else. You got the clout.
I see. It's gonna build this board for us. Once we are satisfied with the board, how it looks, etc. The playing. Also log out of the account, and then just like close the tab, and then just reopen it when it's like ready. So it's gonna build it now. What's this? Why is Muggsy laughing at me? Yeah, true. Yeah. Shout out to Muggsy. Oh, yeah. Okay. Let's see. That's wrong. Yeah. So we just are gonna need to expand the game. The game logic. We're gonna need to expand that game logic with like like money, right?
Dice for sure. With position and key.
Yeah. No, so you have like first we need to have like we need to have money in a game. So everyone start with like a balance, right? And then you can build the app or whatever, right? You can build something, right? You need to be able to like build something, and you need to be able to then like evolve or something, right?
Yes. Question.
Yeah.
In the last one that you did when you used both of your accounts, did was all the dice logic?
That was fixed. So we can also test it now because it's not finished. But like, that was fixed. That was we can also quickly test it. So if you, I can quickly do a game. I'm gonna join. But that was fixed when I did with the other account. So I'm not sure what's going on.
Okay.
On
No
your.
worries. I'm continuing.
No, yeah, we can, bro. It's also good to test. So I created a lobby. We can quickly like see if it's working, right? It's still building, so it's not. Right? It's oh yeah, that's fucked up. I see. No, it's fucked up because we are not starting at the same place. You see it? And maybe
Yeah, we gotta get that whole logic down.
Yeah, and also the
How the pieces are gonna move, you know.
and I think the game state is not clearing. That's also what's happening. So our games are not ended. You know what I mean?
They're not ending.
Yeah, because we left them, so they are still kind of ongoing or something. You know what I mean?
Okay.
So it's still thinking like this game needs to like but if we have the front end down, it's alright. This is just more like a back end update logic.
Yeah.
They're gonna quickly like log in here on my account. Let's see how does that work. But that we can also fix that with like when we are also implementing other logic for the money and stuff, right? so once we are starting to fix like the game mechanics, then we can just like okay, start this one. Oh bro, what's this? Okay, I have also another bug, right? If I reload this, active users, yeah, so this is fucked up. We have also some bugs. We have also some bugs in the game state. For example, when we leave a lobby, it doesn't remove our players. If we leave a game, it doesn't remove those players from the game. We are also not starting at the same positions. Currently, we also don't have any other game mechanics than rolling dice, so we need to make a starting balance and also then ability to buy those cards, which we then can upgrade or build upon, like in the Monopoly game. All game logic will happen the front, and you just record the winners, the results. The game. This is the second. Let's see. Caffeine's almost done. Exactly. Bob. Did I copy this? Yes. Okay, it's deploying. Let's see. You need to like reset the site. Just quit the site. Reopen it when it's deployed. It's live. You can like log in back again. Like open the site. And also the when you, for example, making a game, right? The good thing about like using front-end logic is that this doesn't get saved when it's upgraded, right? So when it's updated, your when we are updating shit, we don't need to like have like stored game mechanics or logic. But you can join. Okay, are you in? Or is Scared Crowbar in? Because I have only 3 players now, and 2 of them are...
Yeah, I'm in. I picked boundary node. I mean, I picked chain key, but it says I'm boundary node.
No, I'm... I chose... You are boundary node. Crowbar, if you're not gonna join, I'm just gonna start, bro. Give you like...
I'm in.
Alright, fuck it. Oh ha! Can zoom in. You are, right? Can you press? Can you like roll the dice? Were you able to press the dice or? You are like the one that needs to move.
What happened?
You need to press the dice. Can you press dice?
Yeah, no, that game logic.
Okay, it doesn't work, right? You can't press like.
It's rolling and loads and then it disappears.
Okay, that's all right. But like, let's see how this.
Yeah.
Huh?
Hello?
Yeah, I can hear you. Okay, can you hear me?
Yeah, I can hear you.
Okay, we are just gonna like tell Grok like, hey, Caffeine said this, and said this. The board looks nice. The board looks good, but the game logic is not working. We also would like to have a button now for testing where you can just reset the game logic. Can you instruct Caffeine to implement the game logic correctly using frontend? Yeah, bro, the game was already started, so you're saying like failed to change the lobby because you were too late. We gonna upgrade this first, the game logic, and then we're gonna retry it again. So now with like maybe like full logic.
Okay.
Because the board looked nice. We can still do some upgrades, but for now we have the main design. We just need to make it work, and then we're gonna iterate like on the styling, whatever, right?
Yeah, the board looks very decent right now.
Yeah, it's only like maybe the letters or whatever it needs to like.
We should have screenshotted the first iteration of the board to see where it started from, to see where it got.
Started from the bottom, now we're here.
The first one looked kind of crazy.
Yeah. But it was working, so.
Yeah, it did work.
It did work. It did work. That's the most important part. Needs to work. If it works, you're good to go. Okay. Crooks, bro, I'm not sure what's happening with all those AIs. They are so fucking slow these days. Gonna roll. Okay. Okay. I hope this is gonna work. But okay, let's see how it's gonna like what it's gonna do for us. Start a game, and then you have like game admin players, right? I hope it doesn't it's not gonna like do something crazy. Start a game, hey game state. I hope that migration works. Yeah, bro. Just once, pop. Where is it doing that logic? Because sometimes when shit like this is failing, right? I'm just throwing this whole file like to Grok, and then Grok can detect that error. It asks me to choose an icon. Yeah, that's also a good feedback. It needs to like when an icon is chosen, you can't choose the same one, but like it will update. Then we're gonna test again because we are not now implementing like logic into it. Base. Let's see. Pay rent. I see. Check for bankruptcy. Yeah. The Scott function. Execute a card action after showing model. Implementation for get out of jail free card. Properties. Okay. Boundary node can stir icon and the beacon. Yeah, this works. Hopefully it's also gonna compile at once. I'm gonna just also grab some food quickly. Pop. It's a good one.
That's a lot of lines of code over there.
It is. I'm looking at my stream. It's kind of lagging.
Yeah.
Stream is kind of lagging. That.